Good day, sir. Today, I will discuss about formulation of text question. Nature of text question formulation. Text question plays a critical part for the whole test procedure. All questions must be framed in words or terminology that are most familiar to the subject. So, ang gamit ko na nagamit ko na question mas yung words na terminology na familiar ko sa isa ka subject or sa isa ka tao na i-test. Direct consideration must be observed when local dialect be employed as medium for the test. Mas gayaw ko na konsiderasyon if mas i-observe na to ang local dialect dahil kung ano ginagamit kayo ng subject amo i-employed. General rules in question formulation. Question must be simple and direct. It must not involve legal terminologies. It must be answerable by yes or no and should be short as possible. It must not be in the form of accusation. It must never contain an influence which consumes knowledge on the part of the subject. All questions must be refer only to the one element of an offense. It must not contain inference to one religion, race, or belief. So, ang pinakauna ko dapat ang question ko mas simple ga o direct ga point or direct. Ikaduha, dili dapat and it must not involve legal terminologies. Unang legal terminologies is like yung example, rape, murder, or arson. Ikatulo, it must be answerable by yes or no or dapat ko matugmag ako ng answerable ko siya by yes or no or kailangan short na siya na question as possible. So, ikaapat, it must not be in the form of accusation. Dili siya dapat question ko sa iya, dapat din ihaw na diakusahan mo siya. Dili form ng accusation. It must never contain an influence which presuppose knowledge on the part of subject. Dapat it must never contain ng influensya ng kaalaman or kahibaw, knowledge sa part ng isa ka subject. Sunod, all question must refer only to one element of an offense. Ang kanang question is nakapokus sa isa ka element ng isa ka offense or paglabag na iya gihimo. So, unless it must not contain inference to one religion, race, or beliefs. Dapat makakabase sa isa ka religion or di gakan niya or paniniwala. General type of questions. Mga klase-klase na mga type ng test question na magamit. Relevant question, control question, knowledge question, evidence connecting question, sacrifice relevant, DYET question, symptomatic question, STY question. So, itakin natin yung sunod, o yung DYET question o yung STY question. Irrelevant question. An irrelevant question, these are questions that have no bearing to the case under investigation, or this may be referred to the subject, age, educational attainment, status, etc. intended to establish subjects like physiological norm and to lessen the excitement stage procedure by relevant question. So, yun na type na question, irrelevant or layo sa kaso na isa ka akusado. Example na niyaon mo, kana ka sa iya is yaon uniadlaw ko man. Nakahain ka, kakakandag ba ka, yaon. Amen, type na mga irrelevant question yun. Lahi ko bali ba, layo sa kaso ko bali na question. Who are you? Are you called Gogong? Yan, example. Is your last name Gilacos? Were you born in illegal city? Is today Tuesday? Did you drink water this morning? Minainom ka ng tubig kuman? Yan, pangalan ba niya mo si Gilacos? Relevant question. Ano ni siya? Question pertaining related to the issue under investigation. They must be ambiguous, unique, local, and understandable to the subject. Must be very specific to obtain accurate result. These are key questions asked by the examiner in order to solve a specific issue. Relevant question, isa siya katawakana na yahaong bali or related sa kaso. Kaya mula ko relevant question, ama yun related sa kaso. Ang sample ng mga kakana na mga alas 10 to alas 12 ng gabi siguntag hain kaw na lugar. Hain kaw na lugar na napatay si Juan. Ganyan, sample. Kawat ba niya mga 500 pesos ni Juan? Yan, mga relevant question na siya. Giloba ba niya mo si Mario gabi ng Oktubre 11, 2023? Or did you stab Mario on the night of October 11, 2023? Yan ang mga question. Relevant question is classified into strong, relevant, or primary or crucial question. These questions are intended and created to test for direct participation only and specifically designed to produce an emotional response in guilty subject. So, ini ko na siya na question or intended siya para maghimo ng test or direct participation para sa only and specifically nakadesign siya to produce emotional response sa guilty subject. Kaduha, weak o relevant or secondary question. Ano na siya? These are questions concerned in several secondary aspects of the crime or problem and often deal with guilty knowledge and partial. So, weak, relevant or secondary question, isa siya ka question na part siya ng several secondary aspect or ng ikaduha na aspekto sa krimen or problema sa often deal with the guilty knowledge and partial kaalaman o kahibaw ng isa ka guilty. Control question. This question compares the physiological response to relevant question about the crime with the response to question relating to possible prior mistakes designed to produce response in the innocent subject. So, the control question ko na, amanin mga kakana na i-compare sa physiological response ng relevant question or ikaduha ko gala sa sumusunod apart na kung sa relevant question about the crime with the response of the question relating to possible prior mistakes designed to produce response in the innocent subject. Nakadesinyo ini siya to mag-produce ng response sa innocent na subject. Control question is classified into two. Primary control question is based on known lie. It must concern about actions that transpired within 3 to 5 years that crime prior to the case under investigation court. Example lang yan siya kay before this year, have you ever hurt your loved ones? Yan, kubali na. Alam mo yan, example ng primary control question. Transferred mo siya ba na gamit ang tuig kubali. Secondary control question is more precise in nature and based on another experience of unlawful activity which will improve the chance for responsiveness. Example lang ini is in your whole life, have you ever violated any traffic law? Violate ba nimo ang traffic law? Yan nga sa kanya control question. Knowledge question. Designed to prove whether the subject possess information regarding the identity of the offender or location of evidence or facts of the case under investigation. Ang knowledge question, isa siya, nakadesinyo kumana siya to prove whether the subject ko no possess information may kaibaw niya regarding sa identity ng offender or location of the location of the evidence, ang unhahan ng ebidensya or facts of the case under investigation. Example is, do you know for sure who killed Juan? Ibaw ba kauso niya patay ka Juan? Evidence connecting question. Designed to stimulate the guilty subject and focus on this attention on the probability of incriminating proof that will detain establishes guilt. Example na yun is, napakana is yun, where the footprints outside the house of Ramon yours. Kung ang footprint ba ko niya sa gawas ng bahay ni Ramon is imo. Sacrifice or GYET question. This intended to obtain a response usually produced by the introduction of the first relevant question in the sequence. This gives the subject norms plus stimulus and excitement stage regarding the killing. And GYET, like kung gilaw ko kaina, ang meaning ng G, go, and Y, you, king and A, answer, then and T, truthfully. Regarding the killing, do you intend to answer truthfully, to answer each question about that? Yan example lang, GYET question. Symptomatic question. Designed to detect and evaluate the presence of outside issue which may suppose a response to relevant questions. Example nangyawon is, are you now fully convinced that I will not ask you any question that has not already been reviewed? Yan, nakadesinyo siya para mag-detect nimo or ma-evaluate nimo ang presensya sa gawas ng sa gawas kumain ng issue. Example na kakain na nagilaong ko na question. Sky, or STY, amat yung gilaw ko kayo na kakil ko kayo na isa sa part ng question. And S is suspect, K is no, then Y is you. Question. These are three groups of questions placed by Baxter and Gay intended to verify the previous charge and detect entire participation or guilty knowledge. Example, sa yaw na question is do you suspect anyone in particular in stealing Florida money? Do you know who stole Florida's money? Did you steal Florida's money? Ameyon, yaw na sa no, you, o suspect. Case technique, general question case, card case, responder case, mixed question case, silent answer case. General question case consists of a series of relevant questions asked in a planned order. So, the general question case is consists yan ng series of relevant questions na nag-ask sa plano or plan order. It is to arrange to ask to make possible to a comparison of response to relevant question with the subject norms. A relevant question with relevant question, strong relevant question, primary control question, relevant question, evidence collecting question, knowledge question, secondary control question. A relevant question. Have you ever been called by the name Pedro? Sample. Another question. Were you in the vicinity of Jolina Wangangal house between 10 and 12 p.m. last night? A relevant question. Did you finish college? Strong relevant question. Did you steal the necklace of Jolina Wangangal? Primary control question. Before age of 25, have you ever stolen anything? Evidence collecting question. Where the fingerprints in the jewelry box of Julina Wangangal is yours? So, sa evidence collecting question ko, no, ginakonek ang ebidensya. Pagkana siya kung ang fingerprint sa jewelry box ni Jolina is imo, is iya. Knowledge question, do you know for sure who stole the necklace of Jolina Wangangal? Secondary control question, have you ever stolen anything from this locality? Relevant question, sacrifice, relevant question, symptomatic question, control question, strong relevant question, control question, strong relevant question, symptomatic question, guilt question, weak relevant question, or STY questions. Quadration comparison provides the mechanism for the identification of inside issue factors that adversely affect the control question permitting time for corrective measures. So, the quadration comparison, nagprovide siya ng identification sa sulod sa issue. So, an irrelevant question, the relevant question is neutral siya. And relevant question is medium strength. Symptomatic question, control question is strong lang siya. Relevant question is strong, control question is strong. Relevant question, medium strength. Relevant question, variable strength. Symptomatic question, o relevant question is weak. Card test, the subject will be instructed to get card, look at it and memorize it in return without showing it the examiner or telling the examiner. After the selection is finished, the examiner shuffles the card and will instruct the subject to answer no every time the examiner shows its card. So definitely, the subject will lie at least once. So sa card test, ang subject is yung tagaan siya ng instruction to magkuha ng card or bakaha, tanawon o memorize ini siya, nang dili ibalik without showing it to the examiner or telling the number. Dili niya inaw ang number kung ano niya kuha niya ng bakaha. Pagkaman na seleksyon is humana, an examiner isapol niya ang card and will tagaan niya ang instruction ng subject na ugbagon ng no and kagat mangutana niya. Examiner shows its card. So, ang kung ano na purpose kumain ini is a subject is makikik kumain nato kung niya makakasyabi sa kaisa. Start responder test. This test contain questions previously asked in general question test with same sequence. Ang smart responder test, ini siya na test kaya contain siya na question previously nag-a-ask siya ng general question test with the same sequence. Next question test. The test is the same with the GQT, but the sequence will be shuffled. And next question test ko is parehas siya ng general question test, pero ang sequence niya is shuffle. Silent answer test, it is conducted in the same manner as when relevant and control questions are asked. But the subject is instructed to answer the question silently to himself without making any verbal response. Okay. It is silent answer test ginakandak lagi na ang subject tagaan siya ng question tumagon niya sa iya gahuna-huna or silently himself without any verbal response or dili siya magsalita. Tumagon niya sa iya kaugalingon or hunahuna. Supplementary test question. Supplementary test. Yes test, real complete test, or pick of tension test. Yes test. An yes test is in case where distortion arises on the general question. The test and smart responder test, the yes test should be administered. Pick of tension test. This is only made possible when there is no widespread publicity about crime, where intimate details as to the method of comparison of certain facts of the case is only known by the perpetrator, the victim, and the investigator. This answerable by no. So, NP question test, tumagon din siya ng no kay Bali. So, isa siya ka ginahimo gani siya possible kung ang kaming kono is widely spread or public siya na krimen. Direct complex test, it is applied when the response to relevant and control question are similar in degree and consistency and in a way that the examiner cannot determine whether the subject is telling the truth or not. A specialized control question designed to safeguard against mistaking relevant questions response and is the based on fictitious crime and their investigation. So, example lang ini na test is, did you still got Transformers toys collection? Ini siya, ma-apply ko ini siya kung ang respondent, ang stance ng sa relevant question, ang control question ay similar. Kung parehas ang relevant o control question, amin siya. And agree on consistency and the way examiner cannot determine whether the subject is telling the truth or not. Dili niya mag-determine, di siya mahibaw, di niya kasayod kung galaong ka ng tinuod ang subject or wala. Amin magamit na ang guilt complex text. So that's all, sir.